Hello and welcome to the lesson 8 of our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the Jufos IT Service Academy. We have a lot of videos on how to create a school management system in Microsoft Excel. A lot of videos on how to develop a school database system, videos on how to create an SBA system or to develop an SBA system using Microsoft Excel on this channel. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. The reason why you need to turn on the notification bell icon for all is to help you receive notifications whenever we upload new videos onto this channel. Good. So if you want to get all those videos on this channel, what you need to do is to quickly launch your browser. The browser that you are using, you launch it. Is it Microsoft Edge? Is it Microsoft whatever? Is it Google Chrome? You just launch it. So you come to the Google Chrome like this, you search for the Jufos IT Service Academy. This is the name of our school. This is the name of our school. So you type the name as it is appearing on your screens. Then you get all the videos that we have on this particular channel. We have this current course. This is the current course that we are running. The Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. We have videos inside this particular podcast here. So you click on it to watch all the recent videos that we have uploaded. Then we have this particular podcast too. You click on it to watch all the episodes inside. Then this one too. Then we have this podcast on how to create a school management system. So we have a complete system that was developed in Microsoft Excel here. So I'll show it to you. We have a complete system like this. So let me just open that system. That system was developed by the Jufos IT Service Academy. So this is the home page of the system, Jufos Academy. You can change it. So this is the developers details, the Jufos IT Service Academy. If you need this system, you WhatsApp or call the numbers appearing on the screen here. So if you already have an account in this system, you just log in. If you don't have an account, you sign up. So then I type the password that I want to use. 1 2 3 blah 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 blah. Create my account. Then click on sign up. So when I click on sign up, then sign up successful. Welcome RR. That is the username. So you keep it in mind, don't forget it. So it should be able to bring you to the dashboard of the system here. So you check the student details, you staff management, then you come to attendance and the rest. So you can change the name of this system. So you click on settings to customize the name. So Jufos Academy, so I can change it to GKJ Basic School like this. So when you click on save title, then it will be changed for you. So you have it here, GKJ Basic School. So you change the name to the name of your school or the name that you like. That's how the system works. So if you need this system, quickly contact the Jufos IT Service Academy for the system. It is not free. You pay something and you get it. So let's click on log out here. So these are some of the things you can do after this particular course or after this particular lessons that we have started. Okay, so do you want to log out of the system? Yes. Click on it, then we save, then we are good to go. So let's just continue our lesson without any challenge. So we open our folder here. In this lesson, what I want us to learn is that I want us to learn how to change the orientation of text and how to increase the size of columns in Microsoft Excel. So you just come to this side and make sure that it is appearing, the mouse pointer here is appearing as the plus sign or the cross sign. You press and hold the left button on your computer keyboard. You drag it to the bottom like this. Have you seen it? So please, that's how you increase the size of a column in Microsoft Excel. So what we are going to do is that we want to apply some formatting to it. In our previous lesson, I taught you how to use the top align, the center or the middle align, and then the bottom align. So in this case, we want to use the center align. This is it. Top align, middle align, then the bottom align. So we want to use the center align. We apply the same thing to this one. It's already appearing there. Now our main objective is to learn how to change the orientation of all these words in each cell. So what we are going to do is that we will select the cell. Just select the cell like this. Please make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end and understand everything without any stress. Share the videos with your friends. Don't be stingy. Share, and practice. Practice makes man perfect. Practice whatever we are doing here so that you can be perfect in them. All right, so we go to the home tab. Then we come to this particular tool here. This is the orientation tool. So click on the drop down there. Then how we want it to appear in the cell, we will select it. So this one, we want it to appear angle counterclockwise. Angle counterclockwise. So click on angle counterclockwise. So please, have you seen it? So we need to expand that column again. We need to expand it like this. So have you seen how it is appearing? That is the current orientation of this particular word here. So we want to change it. We want to change this one to the Accra. We want to give it a different orientation. So you select the Accra like this. We go to the home tab. We come to the drop down here. Then we want to select angle clockwise. Angle clockwise. So click on it. Please, have you seen it? Have you seen that it is moving to the down? It is moving to the down. Good. We want to do the same thing for the Kumasi tool here. So let's just expand that particular column. We apply the middle align tool to it here. Then we come to the orientation. We click on the drop down. This one we want to use vertical. Please, have you seen it? Because the Kumasi is not showing, we need to expand that particular column again until the full name is appearing. Okay. Please, have you seen it now? We still need to expand. We still need to expand like this. Now we can see our Kumasi here. We can see the Kumasi here. So this is how you apply orientation to words in Microsoft Excel. So it's left with one. It's left with whole. So let's just do the same thing. So we go to the home tab. First, you need to select the cell in which that particular word is located. Like this. You go to the home tab. You come to the drop down here. Then we want to select this one. This one here. Oh, let's change it. Let's cancel it. Let's go to the home tab. Then we select a different one. We want to use this one. Please, have you seen it? So that is how you change the orientation of words, orientation of text, orientation of alphabets in Microsoft Excel. So we don't want this video to be long. We don't want it to be lengthy. We would like to end it here and continue in lesson 9. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that the next video that we upload, you receive notification from the channel, then you watch them as well. So your assignment is that you do the same thing and you submit it to the numbers appearing on your screens on WhatsApp for marking before we upload the next video. That is going to be lesson 9. So thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Foster, the founder and the CEO of the G4 IT Service Academy. In case you face any challenge, you can WhatsApp or you call the numbers appearing on your screens for support. So thank you very much. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.